starting from Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras. Pythagoras was an ancient Greek philosopher and mathematician who is famous for the Pythagorean theorem, a fundamental result in geometry. And the theorem is, the Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. In mathematical terms, if A, B and C are the lengths of the sides of a right triangle where C is hypotenuse, then C square equals A square plus B square. It's a right angle triangle where C square is equal to A square plus B square. The Pythagorean theorem is named after Pythagoras because he and his fellows were the first to prove it and study its properties. To use the Pythagorean theorem, you need to follow these steps. Identify a right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle that has one angle equal to 90 degrees. Identify the two sides that form the right angle. The two sides are called the legs of the triangle. Identify the third side of the triangle which is opposite the right angle. This side is called the hypotenuse. Label the lengths of the legs and the hypotenuse with variables such as A, B and C. Write the Pythagorean theorem. C square equals A square plus B square. Substitute the known lengths of the legs or the hypotenuse into the equation and solve for the unknown length. Worked example. Suppose you have a right triangle with legs of lengths 3 and 4 units. As this is a right triangle and its two legs are 4 and 3 units and its hypotenuse is C. To find the length of the hypotenuse, use the Pythagorean theorem as follows. C square equals A square plus B square. So C square will be 3 square plus 4 square equals 9 plus 16 equals 25 and C equals square root of 25. So C is equal to 5. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse is 5 units. In general, the Pythagorean theorem can be used to find the length of any side of a right triangle if the lengths of the other two sides are known. This theorem is also used in various real-world applications such as in construction, navigation and astronomy, among others. Examination tips. Check your answers for accuracy. If the hypotenuse is shorter than an other side in your response, you have made a mistake somewhere. If your calculator displays a math error message, you most likely subtracted the square root the wrong way around.